Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of annatto seeds. Annatto seeds, derived from the Achiote tree, Bixa orellana, offer various health benefits due to their rich nutrient profile and bioactive compounds. Let's explore the numerous advantages that annatto seeds bring to our health and well-being. First and foremost, annatto seeds are an antioxidant powerhouse. Packed with carotenoids like bixin and norbixin, these seeds help protect our bodies from harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and promoting cellular health. The bioactive compounds in annatto seeds have demonstrated anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is associated with various health conditions, and by combating inflammation, annatto seeds may contribute to overall well-being. What's more, one of the key components that make annatto seeds beneficial for eye health is their rich content of carotenoids, including beta-carotene and lutein. These powerful antioxidants play a vital role in maintaining optimal vision and protecting your eyes from damage. Age-related macular degeneration is a common eye condition that can lead to vision loss. The carotenoids present in annatto seeds, particularly lutein, have been shown to help reduce the risk of developing this condition and slow its progression. By incorporating annatto seeds into your diet, you can provide your eyes with the nutrients they need to stay healthy and vibrant. Annatto seeds' carotenoids also contribute to maintaining clear vision. Beta-carotene in particular is converted into vitamin A in the body, which is essential for good eyesight. Consuming annatto seeds can help ensure that your eyes receive an adequate supply of this vital nutrient. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. When it comes to cardiovascular health, annatto seeds shine. The antioxidants and potential anti-inflammatory effects of annatto seeds may help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and support a healthy heart. Let's have a closer look at it. Annatto seeds are packed with powerful antioxidants, including carotenoids like bixin and norbixin. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of heart disease. Maintaining healthy blood pressure levels is crucial for cardiovascular health, and annatto seeds may contribute to achieving just that. Studies suggest that the compounds found in annatto seeds may help support healthy blood pressure, potentially reducing the risk of hypertension. High cholesterol levels can increase the risk of heart disease. Annatto seeds may play a role in cholesterol management, as they have been shown to help lower LDL cholesterol levels, often referred to as bad cholesterol, while promoting HDL cholesterol, known as good cholesterol. Did you know that annatto seeds can work wonders for your skin? Their antioxidant properties help combat oxidative damage, contributing to a healthy complexion. Additionally, annatto seeds may offer photoprotective effects, shielding the skin from harmful UV radiation, reducing the risk of sun damage and minimizing the appearance of sunspots, wrinkles, and other signs of aging. Another advantage of annatto seeds is their ability to promote skin hydration. The natural oils present in these seeds help moisturize and nourish your skin, keeping it supple, smooth, and glowing. Incorporating annatto seeds into your skincare routine can be done in various ways. You can use annatto seed oil as a natural moisturizer, or you can try products infused with annatto extract. By doing so, you can harness the powerful benefits of annatto seeds and promote the health and vibrancy of your skin. For those seeking digestive health, annatto seeds have a role to play. With compounds that promote digestion and support gut health, annatto seeds can help alleviate digestive discomfort and keep your digestive system happy. Another fantastic benefit of annatto seeds is their antimicrobial properties. These properties can help maintain a healthy microbial balance, supporting immune function and overall wellness. Incorporating annatto seeds into your diet can be done in various ways, from using them as a natural food coloring to adding them to your favorite dishes for flavor and nutritional benefits. By including annatto seeds as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, you can harness their potential advantages and support your overall well-being. We hope you're as excited as we are to explore the incredible potential these tiny seeds hold. Remember, nature has provided us with a wealth of resources to enhance our well-being. Let's embrace them and nurture our health naturally. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.